Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic recitation with Tajweed rules. In this session, we will be studying another 8 syllables, that's from here to there, of Al-Qaida Nuraniya, page number 15. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So before we go study those 8 syllables, we have to learn the meaning of the Leen and what it is. So Leen is one of the sifa of the letters of Arabic alphabet, and sifa is actually called, it's a singular, sifat is a plural. Sifa means description, characteristics, attributes, or quality. And in this case, it is special characteristics or quality found in each letter. So the meaning of Leen, is ease or softness, and pronunciation without exertion or difficulty. Or the further definition will be emitting the letter from its articulation point with ease without effort from the tongue. So these two structures have the property of Leen. So waw sukoon, and it is preceded by any letter which has fatha. Similarly, ya sukoon, it is preceded by any letter which has fatha. So these two have the property of Leen. So the first syllable we have is ta fatha waw sukoon. So the first syllable we have is ta fatha waw sukoon, taw. Ta is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has a sukoon. Ta fatha waw sukoon, taw. Ta fatha waw sukoon, taw. Ta fatha waw sukoon, taw. So the next syllable we have is ta fatha ya sukoon, tay. Ta is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, followed by ya, ya has a sukoon. Ta fatha ya sukoon, tay. Ta fatha ya sukoon, tay. Ta fatha ya sukoon, tay. So now we have taw, tay. Taw, tay. So next syllable we have is tha fatha waw sukoon, thaw. Tha is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, waw has a sukoon. Tha fatha waw sukoon, thaw. Tha fatha waw sukoon, thaw. Tha fatha waw sukoon, thaw. The next syllable we have is tha fatha ya sukoon, thay. Tha is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has sukoon. Tha fatha ya sukoon, thay. Tha fatha ya sukoon, thay. Tha fatha ya sukoon, thay. Now we have both of them. Thaw, thay. Thaw, thay. The next syllable we have is dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, and waw has sukoon. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. The next syllable we have is dal fatha ya sukoon. Dal is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, and ya has sukoon. Dal fatha ya sukoon, day. Dal fatha ya sukoon, day. Dal fatha ya sukoon, day. So now we have both of them. Daw, day. Daw, day. The next syllable we have is dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by waw, waw has a sukoon. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. Dal fatha waw sukoon, daw. The next syllable we have is dal fatha ya sukoon, they. Dal is a light letter, it has fatha on top of it, it is followed by ya, ya has a sukoon. Dal fatha ya sukoon, they. Dal fatha ya sukoon, they. Dal fatha ya sukoon, they. So now we have both of them. Though, they. though, they. So the next few slides would be sounds only. Though, they, 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 though, they. So this is the end of this session. We will practice those 8 syllables 10 times in next session, inshallah. We will see you in next session. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.